the women whom stay by the side of the national. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, without waste of time, I'm going to hand over the microphone to the best national chairman in the history of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the most capacitated national chairman of ADC, Senator David Mark, to please unveil and open the best secretariat of any. This microphone, we need this English from our national secretary, who is a grammarian. National chairman,
Your Excellencies, Your Excellencies, distinguished leaders of our very great party, the African Democratic Congress, esteemed members of the National Working Committee, honorable members of the National Executive Committee, our very distinguished stakeholders, our allies in the democratic project, members of the diplomatic corps, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a defining moment. We gather here at the heart of the Federal Capital Territory, not merely to unveil a building, but to unveil a new chapter, a bold statement of purpose and commitment to democracy and service to our country and people. It is a physical testament to our collective resolve to build a greater nation. When we began this journey, many doubted us, while some questioned our motives. But as we take this step forward, we make it clear that this ADC is a historic child of necessity inspired by people's desire for good governance and service to the people, for greater accountability, and for a stronger democracy. From this moment forward, this complex becomes the operational center of our political movement. Here, strategies will be shaped, ideas will be refined, and the next generation of leaders will emerge. From within these walls, we shall continue to champion policies that will uplift committees and communities, strengthen institutions, and safeguard the democratic foundations upon which our republic stands. Let this day mark the end of all divisions. Let today symbolize the rise of a stronger, more disciplined, more visionary, and more people-oriented political party with only one agenda: to serve Nigeria and to serve the people. Let us step forward with renewed commitment to justice, to equity, to service, and nation building. Let us demonstrate to Nigerians that politics is about leadership, and leadership is about responsibility and service to the people. My message today is very simple and is very clear. This is not business as usual. Everything we do going forward will be anchored on character, courage, competence, discipline, and integrity. And so, with deep humility and unwavering faith in democracy, I hereby unveil this National Secretariat complex of the ADC to the glory of God, to the progress of our party, and to the advancement of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you. God bless.
yes, sir. All right.
Glory of God.
Yes, sir. Let this place down. Let this place. Please. Ladies and gentlemen, we are making history today as the only political party with an anthem that is people-oriented. After singing the national anthem in the length and breadth of the Federal Republic of Nigeria by the grace of God after May 29th, 2027, we will sing the anthem of ADC in every government house in the 36 states of this country, including the FCT. So I am going to hand over the mic to the People's National Chairman. You have National Chairman, but this is the People's National Chairman of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. He will now unveil the anthem while we will listen to the sonorous voice of a lady who will sing the anthem for our consumption. Who will recite and read the anthem for others to learn and to start practicing. So please, can we jam our hands together as our father and our leader, the national chairman, unveil the anthem of the party. Thank you, sir. Now we are going to ask the national officer of our party, Ms. Jackie, to recite and read the anthem of ADC.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, Mr. Chairman. And I read, arise, all compatriots, Nigeria's call we obey, with hands joined in hand.